Yo, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with y'all my options trade that I opened the other day. I'm going to share with you guys when I closed it, how that worked, and how much money I made, so you guys can understand a little bit about how this works if you don't know. And also, if you do know, then you still understand and follow along on my journey. So, right now, I'm actually here. I'll show you this where I'm at. I'm here in another place right now, kind of relaxing. There's a nice little swimming pool there. This is the kind of life that dividends and options trading, other income strategies pay for, so you don't have to have a 9 to 5. And that's what I like to talk about here on this channel, so I can help you guys do the same. But right now, I'm going to take you guys into my phone and share with you the options trade that I made. Now, if you didn't see the opening of the options trade, you can go back and watch the previous video, because that shows you how I opened the trade. But basically, I sold a put option on DRAM, DRAM. It's very volatile. It has very nice premiums. And I sold a 2-day put option only and received $73 just for that 2-day option. Now, today I'm going to show you guys how I closed it. So let me record the screen on the phone. Now, I did close this the other day, and I couldn't record the video when I closed it, but I did record the screen when I did the trade, so I can share it with you guys. So I'm going to do that right now. 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, so here is the actual trade. You can see my screen recording. So if I open up this here, let's see. So here is my DRAM position. This was opened up on Wednesday, and you can see, you can see my average price there, $73. So that's what I sold it for. So I received $73 for this trade. Now you can see right here, it says open P&L 72%. That means I made a 72% profit, or 53 bucks. And instead of waiting for this to expire, because something like DRAM, it's very volatile, it can move very fast, and that's why the premiums are good. It's like, high risk, high reward. And because it's so risky, I decided I was going to go ahead and close this out. So if you see right here, it says market price is 20. It says negative 20. So I sold this for 73, and to close it out, you basically have to buy it back. But to buy it back is only $20, which means I made a 72% profit, or $53. And that was just in one day. I didn't let it expire. I just held it overnight. The next day I closed it. So you can see here, I opened up my options chain, and I just put in the one contract, and then I just selected the mid price. You see the mid price is $20. And so I selected that, and then I just hit sell. And then once you do that, you can see order submitted, and then it says right there at the top, you can see that it's your order has been filled at $20. So I made 53 bucks just by holding that overnight, and not bad at all. Not a bad deal for put up a little bit of money, wait till the next day, close it, make 53 bucks. Now this week, on Monday, I'm going to, let me record the screen here. On Monday, 3, 2, 1, bam. Okay, so on Monday, I'm probably going to open another options play on DRAM, but it'll be worth a lot more money because it's going to be a longer expiration. It's going to be an entire week and not just 2 days. So I want to show you guys potentially what that may look like. So let me find it here. There it is. Okay, so you can see right now it's trading at 53.20. So see, if I would have held, I could have got it signed, but I locked in the 72% profit. And that's one of the things I want to share with you guys when it comes to options trading. When you're up, especially on something like DRAM, and you're up 50%, 70%, 75%, 50, 60, 70%, I would recommend closing it and go ahead and locking in profit, because it can swing in the other direction really, really fast, and then you end up getting assigned. And then when you get assigned, it basically means you lose your collateral, which isn't a bad thing always. You can sell cover calls, but if you get stuck in it and it's falling, now your call premium is not going to be very much. So when I get that 50, 60%, 70%, I like to lock it in. But let's look at the options chain right now on DRAM. So this is a 5-day option. So this will be available on Monday when the market opens. And if you look at the current price, you can see there 53.20. Now see these premiums, this 2.68, this $268. But a mid price is probably closer to 275, 300. But that's at the money. At the money is very dangerous. Well, not dangerous, but just risky. Your risk of getting assigned is very high. So I like to go out and do like maybe like a 20 delta. So if you look at the delta here, where are you? There we go, the delta. See, I would probably go for something like this $47.50 or $48. See, the delta's 19 or 21. So I would go with one of those two. So it's a little bit conservative, but not super conservative. If you want to go super conservative, you go out here to like a delta 10. But premium's not enough for me for that. I'd rather be a little bit more risky. So I'll choose the $47.50 or 48 if I look at the price. So we have either one of these I choose. I'm probably going to get somewhere in the neighborhood of $100, and that is for a 1 week option. But if this price changes very fast, I can make 50, 60, 70% profit very fast in just a day or maybe 2 days, and I can just close it out and walk away with money and then reopen a new one. And so that's how I like to do the options, especially on something like this that's very volatile. Lock in some premium at a fairly conservative rate, and then close it when I get pretty decent profit going, and then just reopen another one. So that's the trade. I made 72% overnight, and that's how I like to trade options. And probably tomorrow I'll open another trade, and I'll try to record that for you guys so you guys can see that. And then also stay tuned, because I will be having an update coming for my income portfolio. I'll share with you guys how much money I received for the month, but I'm still waiting on another payment, so I can give you guys an update and then another one at the end of the month, or I could just wait till the end. We'll see. But I did open a brand new position as well, and I'll share that with you guys in the next video. So I'm gonna get back to relaxing here in this nice little place, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.